What's up, YouTubers? It's Too Slow. Today we'll be installing this TRD intake, cold air intake on this Project Corolla. Now, if you guys don't remember, I was posting a couple of updates on this car as I was progressing through it. I'll be posting a couple of pictures right here. So I bought this 2003 Toyota Corolla S. Getting rid of this car, so I'm going to come look at it during the weekend. So I'm just going to throw this intake on it. I don't have no use for it. It's been sitting here since my old Corolla. I originally bought it for that old Corolla, and now that I have the actual Corolla, I don't need it no more. So I will be installing it on this little 3 Corolla that I got here. I don't have no instructions. I don't have nothing. So let's see if I can do this. So the hose that goes from here to this over here, I didn't have the original one that came with the the TRD cold air intake, and I went to AutoZone and I bought this 2-foot hose. I think a 1 foot would have been fine, but it's all good. I think this it's not gonna restrict it in any way. So I got the 2 little clamps with the hose for $5 from AutoZone. I bought this off eBay for about $10, and it came with these style clamps. These clamps are a lot better than this style over here, but obviously AutoZone's not gonna sell this type. But yeah, I didn't have the original TRD one, so I bought this off eBay for around $10 with the 2 couplers, and they're on there pretty good. So there's the intake install. The filter sits about down here, and let me try and get a screenshot of it. So there's the filter. It's where it sits. It's a really good location. It's pretty much the same, a little bit lower than the engine cold air intake. The engine one, if you guys seen my other video, it sits behind the bumper, and this one sits behind the fog light itself. So it might hydrolock if you go in actual standing water really high up, but who cares? So I know some of you guys wanted to see some more Celica content on the channel. There will be some next week. Spoiler alert, if you're not following me on my Instagram, Corolla, I recently got my Greddy front lip after like a long 2-month wait, because I guess I bought the lip from a third-party vendor here in the United States, but they had to order it from Japan. So it's one of those things like, oh, we don't make it till you order it sort of thing. So that took about, I want to say like 70 days or so to arrive, and it was just a huge disaster what happened. I will be making a video explaining everything what happened with the Greddy front lip with the Celica, but it was just a nightmare. And being with Thanksgiving in the way as well for the delivery, it just made the whole delivery like, oh, so anxious. Like I was losing it. I almost lost it. And I also got recently I also got a tsunami hood scoop from Brian. I'm pretty sure you're watching this, so thank you again for providing me with the tsunami hood scoop. And yeah, that's it for Celica updates. I do plan on getting some aftermarket wheels. I am looking at some Yankees. I don't know the exact model number. Let me pull it up. But I was looking at them, and yeah, I like them. I really do. So yeah, they're called Yankee Kojin. I guess that's what they're called. 17 inch. They have 17 by 8 or 17 by 9. I might see if I could get away with getting 17 by 9 to get a somewhat flush fit. I'm gonna try and get that. No tilty wheel action. No crazy camber. None of that. That's not me. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. And for right now, that's gonna be it on the Celica. Probably gonna wait a couple. Maybe I'll do some little mods here and there. But as for the Corolla, after I sell this Corolla that I just posted like the video about, after I sell it, I do plan on buying a set. I do plan on buying some PP headers. Put a picture right here, and I'll try and I also want to get my ECU reflashed as well to get a lower lift point, because man, shifting and getting out of lift sucks. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that, and gonna upload a video also restoring headlights, OEM's HID headlights, and wiring them up. So stay tuned for that. Really good content. And yeah, if you guys made it this far, awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification button, share, and yeah, see you guys.